Stronger measures to protect victims and rehabilitate perpetrators of family violence are on the cards. A bill was tabled in Parliament today to amend the Women's Charter. Now, if passed, perpetrators could be prohibited from coming into contact with survivors. Younger victims would also be able to apply for personal protection orders on their own, as long as they're at least 18 years old. Now, that's down from 21 currently. Sherry Lok with this report.
2 years ago, social worker Ben Ang received an email from a client that said only, "I am in danger, I cannot go out." When Ben rushed down to her home, he found her visibly injured and in the thrall of her enraged husband.
We cannot leave. The risk of violence is going to be very high. If I leave, the survivor is going to be in danger.
At that time, there was little he could do except wait for the police to intervene. But things could change. The new bill will allow for emergency orders to be issued at the scene by authorised protectors in high-risk cases.
There will be a procedure, there will be a proper order to be issued. And with this emergency order, it can also come with stay-away order and no contact order, and which will give a very important space.
Authorised public servants and social workers can also apply for a personal protection order on behalf of survivors. Now, these will contain more defined provisions, such as instructing perpetrators to stay away or prohibiting them from having any contact with survivors.
To make sure perpetrators don't breach these orders, those at risk of committing more violence could be electronically monitored. And if they violate their personal protection order or PPO, they could face imprisonment or fines of up to $10,000. But the proposed bill doesn't just focus on punishment.
Enforcement can only do so much. It will not be able to help to address the root of family violence.
It also aims to better rehabilitate perpetrators. The bill will expand the range of counselling programs they can undergo. These include parenting and caregiving training. Those suffering from certain psychiatric conditions could also get treated. These programs will continue even after the PPO is varied, suspended, or revoked.
There are those that perhaps are very motivated because they see this as a crisis in their life and they don't want it to happen again. There are those who probably could be skeptical about is this helpful or not, But for us as social worker, the important thing is how can we continue to show respect and understanding to them so that they feel that this is a place where they are accepted and then they are ready to look at the problems and resolve the problems together.
As a last resort, survivors could be removed from their homes to keep them safe.